The next method is add user, and what we're going to do here, again, we're going to count this isn't empty params and isn't empty password. And if we scroll up a little bit, and before our add user method, a few new lines, private function called add user params valid, and then we passing params null by default, and then password null by default. Then return, and simply what we've cut it. We've cut from this if statement here. So we're checking if it isn't empty for the params and isn't empty for the password, then obviously that is going to return true. So now we can use it inside of our if statement. So if I scroll down a little bit, and this underscore add user params valid, and we're passing params as first parameter and then password as the second. And rather than then actually inserting the statement separately and checking again if it was successful, what we're going to do is put this on the new line, this statement here, indent it, and we're going to basically do end here, this insert, and we're passing all params as the parameter, and we can now remove all these two lines basically for insert, prepare insert and insert itself. So if we just remove this here, a few new lines, let's just put like that, and I'm just going to remove this indent. We send an email obviously right after this. For email, nothing has changed, it stays the same, even though obviously process method is now using a send mail component basically. It all stays the same. So if we just create a few new lines, and that's all done with our add user method.